Okay, I just pulled this from my garden after getting a couple little disappointing sweet potatoes, and I am excited to see what the rest is. I was just tired of fighting with it, and it's a creepy crawly one, so oh, I just got dirt all over my pants, but this is what the roots looked like. I would assume that would grow into another sweet potato. Are you ready? Okay, I'm excited because of what I'm feeling. Oh my goodness. Okay, are you ready? Well, we have this cute little guy, which he may be a slip. Oops. That is really cute. Like, anyway. I got sweet potatoes, babe. Check it out. Are you ready though? Okay, that was one. I'm trying not to pull them all out at once. Two. So they don't look like they do at the store when you do them yourself. Oh, three. Oh, wow. Oh, these are really cute. I think if I had a bigger pot, they would have been...
How old are they?
I can't remember when I put these in. But I felt as if they were probably overcrowded, and that might also be the case.
Nice toy with the bumbles.
Oh my goodness. Awesome.